Welcome to TallyPrime 4.1 Features webinar. My name is Imtiaz Shah. I am a solution consultant with 20 plus years of experience. So let us check out the webinar topics for today. So what we are going to see is MSME features with TallyPrime, then how to import data from Excel to Tally. What are the WhatsApp features available wherein you can send the documents via WhatsApp, and how to generate QR code requesting payment for the sales bill. So we will check the MSME features. In MSME features, we will set up first the registration details for your company, then print inform invoices and inform MSE. You have to do like when you print an invoice, you have to inform MSME status of yours to your buyers. Then we'll see overdue receivables and reminders on how to get it to receive payment in time. Then set up MSME status for suppliers. Then identify bills wherein of MSME and make payments. Generate overdue MSME payment report. Unpaid bill details not allowed as per MSME. We'll check out the form which is required to be filed. So we'll start with MSME features, like how to enable other MSME features. So in company info, we click on the features menu. In the features menu, we have we'll select. We go to Control G, MSME, and update details. So for our company, we will start with creation of some of the masters. Like we create a new master for a supplier, like MSCB supplier. I will create, and MSCB supplier 5 I am creating, and it is being grouped under subject data. I can provide the default credit period here itself. And in this screen, right now, we how to activate this MSME registration details. Is you have to press F12 here, and provide MSME details. You have to enable this option. Provide MSME registration details. You have to keep this yes. So this will appear to you. Once you have done it, you have to input your MSME details. Classify your MSME details like micro, small, or medium. So you can just classify and specify your registration number and press enter. I am just putting in dummy details to give you. So this we have done. You have created a supplier, single supplier with MSME details. So likewise, if you go to the shortcut key Control G, press Control G, and you want to update your suppliers, so you can select here MSME update party MSME details. You can get this option from MSME statutory reports MSME details from there also. We select sundry creditors and select all items. Now here we have the list of suppliers which is classified here. For there are all the parties will come here. Supply details there are data to be updated from here. You can either select a party, press enter, and update whether it's a micro or small or an MSME. You can update using that option. In case you want to update like multiple alteration you want to do, you click on multi alter on here, press Ctrl R here, and you are into alteration. Like if I have created this, I am 15 days is there for MSME, and I will update the details here. So since the fifth is not an MSME, I am not updating it, and so in this way, you can update your multiple MSME at single immediately. So coming, we have completed this MSME details. Now, how do we see this report of MSME? You have entered your suppliers invoices. Like if you go to, we'll check and for few transaction, we have made purchases for MSME supplier 1, supplier 2, supplier 3, supplier 4. I have made these sample entries to show you. And we go to these reports like normal outstanding report for outstanding MSME bills, which is predefined bills payable for micro and all companies. So it will display the bills which are pending only for MSME suppliers. Now you have other report also. You can go to display reports and statement of accounts and outstanding. Select payables. This will display you list of all suppliers, whether it's regular or it's a MSME. This will show. And from here you will need to filter like click on basic values. What you need to see, uh, bills to be shown for all parties. You select only if you want to see for micro and small parties. Select micro and small parties. Type of bill like pending and escape. This will show only bills pending for MSME suppliers. So this is to be paid, and now this since the bill has been overdue by 16 days, so it will display you. You have to make payment immediately. So likewise, if the bills are not overdue, like if you are saying कि I am here in this period, so it will show the bills are due on 16th May, and you have to pay the bill. So familiar with this and type of bills. What if you want to see? If you want to check and bills due, which will be in the coming days. Like if I say bill due, what will be bill due in the next 15 days, and I select it and update. It will show me 8 days till due date. Like these bills are due since now. It will be due in 15 days. You have to may within 7 days how many bills are due. You will be able to get at this report. So you have to click on basis of value, and this is applicable only for bills due in upcoming days. When you select this and will show bills due in next how many days, this you can specify here. So we have done. We have checked the MSME list, and like this we have checked. So we'll now check once you are making payment for MSME, what reports are available. In MSA reports, you have like MSME form for this one. And MSME forms will display a list of the details wherein you have uh, due, it was due but not yet paid. You can take this form, you can print this form, and it will show the return form. You have to file this return with the registrar, and we'll show the preview how the preview will appear. Like if you click on this, so this preview will appear. The expenses which you have booked and not yet you have paid late will not be allowed, and this is the report which you would be uh, filing in. So MSME Tally has provided options wherein you can set up the when you print the invoices for yourself, you will get MSME status. We'll check that also. Now, how to set up this invoices for you, yourself, for your company itself. So what we do here, we have. We alter the company settings. We go to company, click on features, and in features we enable GST, and in GST we enable this. So we come to more details and select. So provide MSME details and just check, just hold on. So what you're checking is enable MSME details for your company. Like when you click on the company, click on features, you enable show all the features. Click on more details, and you will be able to update your company MSME status, like your type of enterprise micro and your Udyam registration number. So this was trending, which I just now showed, and we already have seen the reports which are available for MSME. Like when you click on MSME reports, this form you have seen, and form updated reports. So with this, we close the session for MSME. We look forward to other topic, which will be for Excel to Tally. Hello. So we continue our session. We'll see Tally Prime 4.1 Excel to Tally function. So Tally 4.1 has provided a function to import data from Excel to Tally, import of masters and transitions. You can either use the default templates, or there are sample Excel files already been provided by Tally. So you can also take data which is available with you, which can map the Tally fields and import data. And doing data import, there may be errors, and how do you change or rectify these errors? That we'll see. So coming to Tally, we will first try to import masters. We click on import, download the sample file. There is a sample file available. So I have already downloaded the sample file. These are the masters available. Now suppose these masters will create much more, like 20, 21. I'll create masters. Then these are the on the top. These are name of the groups. This will not change name of the fields, which is available in Tally. You can specify or add any new field which you wanted. I have created these ledgers which I want to create in Tally. Similarly, you can create groups. You can create cost centers, and if this is in this format, you can use. I'll save this transition. I'll click on import masters. We want to import accounting masters. Then the sheet which we refer to is ledger. Ledger enter. And in case the behavior of import, like if you have existing master, then data should either combine, or it should ignore, or it should modify with the new data. So you select the new data option here, preview import summary. Before import, we want to see the summary, and yes. So we have successfully there in the import summary in this field. It displays you the group Sunday calendars which you are going to create. The ledger count is 9, and we click on import. So once the import is done, it will display message import successfully completed. And if you check on these ledgers, we are able to create these ledgers. So the ledgers are created using the import functionality in Tally Prime. So we'll look into the other option also, like how to import transitions. You click on transitions and download the sample file. The sample file will look like this one. Will I have opened it? I have the sample file already uh, there. So we'll open the sample file. So we have accounting vouchers. This file is there. Now this file has a, the fields are there, like voucher date is there, then voucher type is there, voucher number, then you have buyer, supplier, ledger name, address, and all these details are there. So we'll have to put the data according to that. I have put one record. In case multiple record GST, CGST, you can input, select transitions, and select vouchers. If we want to map the field, like I am using a default template, so that's why I will select the worksheet, this one. But if I have to map some field, or I want to create new field, I have a Excel file, so I can create new Excel, and in the new Excel, I can map my fields with which type voucher I want to map into. Like if I want to go for purchase voucher, so what are the fields available in Tally, and where I would be mapping. This is with the Excel. So in this way, I will be mapping the fields here. So I'll use the default template now, and preview summary. Backup is required, wherein you know the data is not going to change. So you always take a backup of the data, and import purchase. We are successfully imported the transition. So if you see the transaction like it is on 1st of April and we have successfully imported this transaction for the supplier. Okay. So here we are able to import the master. So you are seeing by using this feature you can import data from Excel to Tally. So what we are going to see now is Tally Prime 4.1 WhatsApp features. Using the WhatsApp features, we can send documents directly from TallyPrime, send digitally signed documents on WhatsApp. Uh, then you can also send invoices and reminder letters. You can also send a payment URL in invoice and reminder letters for instant payments. So let us check the features in TallyPrime. How do we send these messages? So to configure WhatsApp here, initially we will be requiring to have a register for WhatsApp services. So click on shares and you have WhatsApp here. Like if I go to some of the report, I click on WhatsApp and click on current I want to send. So I need to sign up and use a registered business WhatsApp number. You will sign up on the page and then I will be able to send my any document, any reports through WhatsApp. So there is a separate procedure for completely for this. The options which is there to send is from here. Then we click on invoices. Like you send, click on the invoices, and you want to share these details on WhatsApp. So you can share this through WhatsApp also. These invoices, click and share on WhatsApp. Then we go to once you have sent these invoices. So any report you can send from the system. So here right now we are seeing like ledgers if you want to send. So select the ledger and you can share the ledger through WhatsApp like current ledgers and it will be sent. You can also send invoices if you go to like invoices and uh, click on exchange and generate this QR code for this current and it will get displayed here. It will display. Okay, so you can send this. Then further you can also send invoices and reminders. Like if you go to outstanding and receivables, you can share these reminders to your customers through WhatsApp. With every so WhatsApp features you can send directly documents from Tally Prime. So we will see the other feature like QR code payment request and payment request. I'll just configure this. Uh, so the next topic what we are going to see today is QR code from TallyPrime 4.1. You can generate and share payment links and QR code while recording transactions. After recording transactions from the demo, multiple transactions of a single party, ledger or ledger outstanding or anywhere from TallyPrime. So let us see how in TallyPrime. So how to activate payment QR code. So when you are into company, click on features, click on enable payment request to share. So set this to yes. So we will set this to yes. I open a company. Okay. So here select features, then enable payment yes. Specify the name of the merchant and payment method what you would want to keep like the payment method is pay you laser pay UPI ID. You can specify merchant name. If you have more than one profile you can add that also. We'll select one profile only, save it. So now we'll see where this will come. Like when we are preparing an invoice, so we have already one of our invoice being made here. of a customer. So once, how do we configure this? So we click on exchange, generate QR code for the current invoice for the amount 1652, and we save it. So the QR code is generated successfully. So here, once the QR code is generated, you can select the print option, current, and preview. The QR code will get displayed. So we will have to configure the QR code to get displayed. So method of payment, you have to select link or QR code. So we will select QR code only to be displayed and preview. So here we are able to successfully generate QR code. So TallyPrime now provides you this feature. You can generate this from this here also. Either you can generate from this daybook also for the current transactions. Okay, and do you want to save what is selected also? Yes, success, and it will get displayed here. So we have seen the QR code being generated for payment. Likewise, if you go to ledgers, and you can generate from ledger also for your customer. Let's say the name of the customer is customer A, accounts ledger, customer A, customer A, and from here also you can generate the QR code. It's available here. Okay. So if some other amount is there, so we have seen in this topic while recording transactions, after recording transaction, from the daybook or multiple transactions of a single party. Suppose if we have multiple transactions for a single party, so we'll check that like for this single party is there. I will make one more transaction entry and provide the reference number for different bill number. Okay, so we want to send vouchers. I say no. Now we want to generate payment QR code link. So I select yes. Now I have two amount. I'll put this amount less one lakh 20,000. Okay, I save it. Now again generate QR codes. Okay, so now I have two invoices for this customer. I'll select this. I will come to my ledger, or you can generate it from outstanding also. Ledger, customer A, QR code for this, export, and for total amount 30 lakh 60,000. 60,000 I want to generate. So here we want proper to be stated voucher. Yes. Now QR codes have been generated successfully for this total. So we will print this and check. So here it will appear QR code in ledger also. So with this we end the session of today. For topics related to, if you have further more queries, you can get back to us on the numbers. Thank you very much.